Good morning. It's Monday, September 28th, 2025. Mark Treadway here with your 2-minute global commodities snapshot. Let's help you trade confidently by connecting the dots on what's really moving these markets today. Oil is rebounding this morning. After 3 consecutive sessions of losses, Brent is trading up 1.21% to $66.29 and WTI is up 1.24% to $60.67. Following OPEC's cautious decision to boost production by just 137,000 barrels per day in October, much less than previous months, thanks to concerns about weak demand and a potential glut by year-end. The real driver, of course, Saudi Arabia wants market share, but Russia's escalating attacks in Ukraine and the US talk of new sanctions are keeping the supply side tight. So watch out. S&P Global is calling for Brent to slide toward $55 by December if Russian barrels keep flowing and storage builds outpace expectations. For traders, consider tightening stops if you're long crude and monitor contango. This is a classic setup for tactical spread trades. Gold, of course, continues its shine, record highs, bolstered by persistent geopolitical worries. Take your pick: Russia, Ukraine, US tariff threats against Asia, and widespread hope for a Fed rate cut. With inflation data due this week, bullion could see further upside volatility. For professional traders, it might be wise to trim leverage on short gold positions. Momentum for now still favors the bulls. The big geopolitical cloud after the US slapped new tariffs as much as 25 to 40% on a host of Asian and resource exporters in August, and with Russia's air campaign intensifying, commodity traders face more uncertainty, premium in both agricultural and energy strips. Policy meetings between US and EU leaders this week could swing risk sentiment sharply. Tactically, consider relative value trades across regions and keep powder dry for volatility spikes. Remember, we're in a market where official statements and real logistic constraints are driving as much pricing actions as fundamentals. Use these swings to your advantage, but don't overstay winners as the macro weather changes very quickly.